Today, we're bringing together the flavors of cinnamon, brown sugar, and espresso to make a latte that really captures the taste of fall right in your coffee cup. We call this the Cinnamon Ombre, and it's super easy to make. First, we'll whip up the syrup with equal parts water, dark brown sugar, and a cinnamon stick. Just boil the water, add in the sugar and cinnamon, and let it simmer until it thickens. Then get your espresso maker ready to pull a 2 ounce shot of espresso. Next, heat about 6 ounces of your favorite milk and froth it up. We like using coconut milk, but any milk or milk alternative will work just fine. Now, put about 2 tablespoons of the syrup in a glass and pour your espresso right over the syrup. Finally, mix that espresso and foamed milk into a coffee cup. An amazing fall latte like this would cost around $8 at a coffee shop. So this easy to make cinnamon ombre is the perfect way to welcome the fall season to your home cafe with these simple ingredients. You can make a cinnamon ombre in under 10 minutes right in your own kitchen. Let us know how yours turned out in the comments.